G'day guys, Adrian from Lifestyle Adventures Oz. Just doing another unboxing today. Got a Kickass 75 litre Dualzone fridge freezer. Pretty excited to show you guys this one. We'll get into the box and see what's in there. Alright, let's just figure out this packaging side of things. There we go, it's nice and easy. Woohoo! There she is. Clean as a whistle. Looks pretty bloody good to me. Bluetooth compatible, so you can check it on your phone, adjust it on your phone. We'll look into that a little bit later on once we get it in the van. This is a bit of an upgrade for us. We had a fridge freezer come with the van. Chinese one, so I sucked a bit of juice. We weren't that happy with it, so we wanted to get a good quality brand, and as you guys have seen from the other videos, we like Kickass. We're not affiliated with them at all, but we bloody like their gear, so we thought, why not? We'll get this because they've never let us down. Alright, so here it is, Bluetooth compatible. Pretty stoked on this one. It's going to be sick. Dualzone, fridge, freezer, fridge, freezer. The side, nice deep storage compartment with a removable basket and a plug down the bottom for the drain. Good insulation, seals are solid, nice, and it's nice to clip down, nice and firm, locked in there, nice and tight. Got these extra bolts here, all the way along, so we can actually swap the hinges over to the other side if you want to open it the other way, which I think we will do, so we don't have to walk around the camper trailer. Ooh, goodies! Alright, here comes with the fridge, magnetic fridge cover. Again, nice deep storage with its own drain, so I like how it's got a separate drain. And this is a box with all the power components. Got your small basket, small storage side, again nice covered wire, good insulation, nice and tidy. Little light on the side there. If I know Kickass products, they do damn good lights. So I'm just swapping the door around, guys, so we want the latch and the door open this side, so the latch on the other side there. So I've already done one, if you didn't see that. So the door now flip over that way, which is what we want. Still got to do this one. This door's flipping this way, so we'll change that around. All it is, like I said before, undoing the bolts on either side, flipping the door around, and away you go. Alright, so here we have it. We've got it flipped around, which suits us. Bit of a knock in there. We got both open. That's alright. We're gonna grab this cover out. Pretty sure it's magnetic, which is nice and easy. The fridge looks way better in person. I've seen videos on YouTube and it looks alright, but when you get it out and see it in person, it's pretty sweet. We were going to get the June 75 litre. I'll insert a picture of what we were going to get. It had a 5-year warranty from Anaconda, but we trust Kickass, we know the brand, so it was cheaper. The Kickass was cheaper, we got it for $7.50
on sale.
Alright, so that was a bit of a bloody ordeal getting that. You've actually got to put the bag down, then drop the fridge into it, and there's no instructions, and probably rightfully so, but on the top, back just velcros onto this part, over the lid. On the other underside of these, you've got double-sided tape to your velcro. So I've just stuck my velcro on here from these ones. Peel it around. Got to be honest, it's definitely not the best designed bag I've ever seen. In fact, it's pretty average. In fact, it's shit. Alright, So in this box you've got your manual, bag of leads, beer bottle opener, everyone needs that. That'll just screw onto the side here. Manual down there, different leads. 240 kettle lead, Anderson to Anderson, double fused, which is nice. Oh no, it's just a single fuse, single blade fuse. And then your SIG to Anderson, if you want to run it to your SIG socket. We're not going to use that, we're not going to use that. So we'll put them all down there. Anderson plate's got a nice cover over it, bit of protection on the wires, which looks nice to see. I'm going to improve that again. I'm going to put a bit of sheath over it, and yeah, I'll do that now. Alright, so we've got our split tubing on to protect the wiring. Next thing we're going to do, let's chuck it in the camper. I hope my measurements are correct. Otherwise we've got a fridge that's too big. Connector up there. Pull that to one end so I can bring the fridge in. Oish. There we have it. Fits like a glove. So probably can put that in here. Chuck that in there. That way it's a bit of safekeeping. If I ever need it, should be right there. Alright, so we've got it plugged in. Because we're on a bright sunny day, it's going to be hard to see the temps. We're both set at 28 degrees. And I'm going to time how long it takes to get there. Got 10 to 3, 10 to 4. You can see how long it takes to get down to temp. So I've also got this thing here, it's a battery cutoff, so you can have high, medium or low, so you can let your battery run low. You get something like 11.4, 12.1 and whatever the high one is, I'm not sure. But yeah, just to protect your battery, the fridge will cut out to save your battery, which is a bloody awesome little feature. It's an emergency override. It's a great little feature. Beer opener's on, have to bloody use that tonight I think. And yeah, she's cranking up. We're in the sun, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, checking on the fridge. I checked on it 10 minutes ago and it was done. So minus 12, minus 1 Celsius. That took an hour and 20 minutes. Got that bad boy on. Hour and 20 minutes. It's not even hot. And we're running off the lithium batteries here, not 240, so we're home at the moment. And just to show you, it's drawing 0.7 amps, which is amazing. And our last fridge was drawing 6.8 amps. So that's it guys, appreciate it. Appreciate the watching, like and subscribe, new content coming soon. And yeah, really appreciate you taking the time. Thanks very much.